I'm currently long in gold and now currently awaiting a potential long in the pound dollar. Right now, waiting for pullback into a limit entry. And right now we'll hop over onto gold to have a quick look at what I traded here while this position is setting up. So gold, I actually traded over the weekend here, Friday. I was able to catch a long and take profit here during the Asian session or just before the Asian session here on Sunday night, and then here on Monday, here on the 1 hour chart, we can see this consolidation here. I took a long here, but this was not a good idea. Since then, I've been back testing what I've been doing and found some errors in how I was trading, so I've made some adjustments here. But this would have been an invalid entry as this candle here created a body candle close below a swing low here. So that would have triggered a short idea for me, or at least for the short term. You can see price consolidated, delivered to the sell side. This was me stopping out, and this was a re-entry short, and this is me stopping out of that re-entry short and going long here. My stop loss is just below this 15-minute low here, and targeting a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio, or I may just take partials on the way up in case price makes a run to the buy side here. But if we can, I think 2-to-1 will be off the screen here on gold, since it would be a new all-time high. Come over here to the higher time frames and see if we can get a look at where target might be, but it's probably still going to be out of range here. Yeah, it's going to be out of range. Charts are slow to load here. But we can see the price action on the 4-hour here on gold. Buy side, buy side. No structural break. This new week opening gap was traded into. So to me that would be a point of liquidity. So this may be just back to redelivering to the buy side here. But I'll head back over to pound dollar. See if that's getting any closer to an entry. But before then, actually this, so with this sweep here into the new week opening gap, I'm not certain how to play this here on the 4-hour, but here on the 1 hour, price action is definitely bullish here with this market structure sweep here to the buy side. And then here on the 15-minute chart, you can see here a market structure shift here to the buy side on the 15-minute chart. So with the 15 and the 1 hour showing bullish, regardless of what the 4-hour is doing, I'm comfortable going long here. And let's check that pound dollar. And pound dollar still hanging out above the limit entry price here. About 49 minutes left in the kill zone. We'll see if pound dollar provides an entry opportunity for a long here during the Asian kill zone. Price currently trading at 1.36913. The ask is maybe about 15 cents higher. So my limit entry is at 1.36860 for the ask or the offer, depending on what you call it. Once that gets reached, or if that gets reached, then I'll take an entry. If that does not get reached during the kill zone cutoff limit, then I will cancel the order. And trade on pound dollar during this session. I'll walk you through what I saw here. So here on the 4-hour chart, we can see buy side delivery here, higher low, buy side higher high, higher low, higher high, price consolidating here. So bullish price action here on the 4-hour chart, and then here on the 1-hour chart, here we get a market structure shift. Actually, no, this would be, yeah, it's shifting back to the buy side here. So here, get a market structure shift to the buy side. So here, having the 4-hour and the 1-hour both bullish, this is enough for me to go long. And then here on the 15-minute, seeing a market structure shift here and here. So also long here on the 15-minute, or bullish price action here on the 15-minute, and here would be the next level of entry. And I'll pull up these series of fair value gaps here. So here on the 1-hour chart, price action here, here puts in a market structure shift here to the sell side. Then the new week opening gap comes in here, or the new day opening gap comes in here. Price open lower, but is delivering to the buy side here. And this candle here closes above this what was a mitigation order block, which now becomes a break, or which was a mitigation block, now becomes a breaker block. So looking for this breaker block to hold and deliver price to the opposite direction from which it was set. So it was set as a mitigation block for continuation to the sell side, but price action traded through it and closed above it. So looking for it as a breaker block with continuation here to the buy side, with all time frames here showing bullish price action. And new 15-minute candle here. So 45 minutes, or approximately 45 minutes remaining in the current Asian kill zone. Again, if price can pull back to my limit entry, then I'll take a long position here. Position here would be currently is set for a 2-to-1 reward to risk ratio. I'll head over to the higher time frames to see if profit target is in sight here. So 2-to-1 looks like it may be out of range, or it's just too close here. Here it is. So it's looking like it's going to be a target of this liquidity resting up here above yesterday's daily candle here. So it looks like that 2-to-1 will take profit just short of that, which I'm perfectly comfortable with. And it seems like gold is selling off a bit here. Have a quick look over at gold. See gold selling off here. So curious to see if I'm just getting chopped up here, or if I am seeing the board clearly. I'll get a better idea here, depending on what gold decides to do here price action wise. But with time frames aligned, this is about as good as it's going to get for me. So I'm going to drop down to the 5-minute here and correct this placement on this breaker block here, since I've been moving things around. Just needs to go a little lower here. Platform is misbehaving. Let me restart it. And we're back. So curious to see if I am making a mess in gold, or if I am sorting myself out here in gold and in pound dollar. Back up to the 15-minute, showing some buy side delivery here. Let's see if pound dollar is still trading above entry here. So we'll see if pound dollar provides an entry here in the kill zone. Seeing some potential sell side delivery here. Into this 15-minute candle, we'll see if there's continuation here to the sell side, as both markets were delivering to the buy side just now. If all goes well, gold will continue to the buy side, and pound will deliver to the sell side for an entry here, and then redeliver to the buy side. That would be ideal. Seeing some sell side and consolidation here on pound dollar. Consolidating here. 136 913. Probably still doing nothing special here. $136, $920. Price mostly consolidating here between the 136, $920 and the 136, $915 levels. Looks like gold may be getting bullish here. You can see buy side delivery coming back in here on gold. Now the debate of taking partials or 2 to 1 in and out. Right now my order set for 2 to 1. And I've been experimenting with 2 to 1s and 3 to 1s here. But also my experience with partialing. Both I would say lead to profitability. The partialing requires more, I would say, time, more screen time. close, so I'm just gonna let this order marinate here, and if all goes well, we'll get a dip and an entry. If not, then I'll be prepared to take this order off, and I'll see how gold performs here from the Asian session into London. If it gets that far, could get stopped out on that one, but we'll see how it goes. Actually, I'll go back over there. Okay, just consolidating here, not putting in anything new. Okay, so gold's still looking good. I'll continue to watch price action here and see if anything opens up here to the buy side. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OnTiltTrading.com. Stay on tilt, never emotional. We'll see you next time.